In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. Following that, get this free app, Saucer must click, from this developer, and when your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Finally, access devices settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section. Now click on Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Default Apps. Now you need to select Launcher section at the top. Click on iOS 1 in order to apply it, and tap on Home button. Lastly, select OK and tap on Got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Redmi. If you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same default app settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!